Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Semco Painting and Decorating. Today project is gonna be timber decking, oiling with the paint in it. So it's gonna be colored timber decking. I'm gonna do two timber deckings at the same house. It's gonna be back timber decking and front timber decking. At the back of the timber decking I'm gonna do the time-lapse video so you can have a look at it. And the front timber decking I'm gonna do all the steps, how I'm doing it, what materials I'm using and what tools I'm using. And I'm gonna show you a couple of tips for, I think, easy way of doing this kind of timber decking, because it needs to be applied by the brush. So you will see my technique very shortly. Stay tuned and don't go away. As you can see guys, there's a lot of nail punching, so be prepared to punch a lot of nails like you could see on the video. Normally with the nails, if the timber decking is done with the nails, there will be a lot of them popping out. Screws are a little bit better than nails, so they hold timber firmly to the floor, so it's all good with the screws most of the time, but nails, a lot of punching and putting them back in place. So this is the product I've been using on this timber decking. It's oil-based product, beach house grey. It's got a tint in it, so that's why it looks like a greyish color. Tools, I use this small jumbo yellow strip roller cover, as you can see on the cover here, to apply the paint, to apply the stain, and a 60 ml Unipro brush. As always, these brushes are pretty good and I'm using them most of the time. So these are the tools and the product that I've been using on this timber decking.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on, we're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on, we're moving on, we're moving on.
That will be it for this time, guys. All the deckings are finished, front and back. I hope I helped with these ways of doing these deckings and all these techniques that I've been using here. Some of these techniques are a bit hard to work with. You're gonna have a sore back for a little while, but this is the way to do it because you want a smooth finish. You don't want to see the brush marks or roller marks on the decking. It doesn't look very appealing. The reason why I'm putting all these jobs and all these videos about painting is to make it easier for you guys out there, because the most precious thing that we possess is the time. So if we do things wrong, we're losing a lot of time, and once we lose that time is lost forever. So if we know how to do these things that we want to do at the first go, if we see it somewhere and have some idea what we need to do, it's a lot of time saved. So that time that you save, you can put it in something else, and I reckon that's the best way to show this and, you know, explain everything that I know, and I wish I can pass it to anyone out there. And if you have something that you might suggest, like to put in my videos, or if you have any questions, as I said before, just leave it below and I'll be happy to answer it. Till next time, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, share.